Ever pondered how a tiny seed transforms into a gigantic plant? Ah, the magic of nature. It's a fascinating journey that starts with something so small yet holds the potential to become something so big. A seed, my dear friends, is more than just a speck in the palm of your hand. It's a tiny universe filled with life waiting to burst forth. In the world around us, there's an amazing variety of seeds. Some are as tiny as a grain of sand, while others are as large as a coconut. Some seeds are round, some are flat, and others have wings to catch the wind. Each one, regardless of its size or shape, carries within it the blueprint for life. How wondrous is that? So are you ready to unravel the secrets held within these tiny powerhouses? Let's follow the magical journey of a seed to a plant, a wonder of Mother Nature. The odyssey of a plant begins with a tiny, unassuming seed. A seed, indeed, is a pocket-sized wonder, a capsule of life that carries within it the promise of a plant. But how does this marvel come into existence? Well, it all begins with a process called pollination. Picture this. On a sunny day, a buzzing bee dips into the heart of a flower, sipping nectar and in the process, getting dusted with pollen. This pollen is then transferred to another flower, landing on a part called the stigma. This is the start of something magical, the creation of a seed. Following pollination, fertilization takes place. The pollen grain travels down into the ovary of the flower, where it unites with the ovule. This union results in the formation of a seed. It's like a secret recipe handed down by nature where pollen and ovule come together to create the magic of life. So, what's inside this magical capsule? Let's take a peek. The seed is made up of three main parts. The first is the embryo, a baby plant in miniature, waiting for the right conditions to start growing. Next, we have the endosperm, a food store for the embryo, packed with nutrients to fuel growth. Lastly, there's the seed coat, a protective layer that shields the precious cargo inside from the harsh outside world. Every seed is a self-contained life support system, a miniature survival kit. It's a marvel of nature's engineering, designed for one purpose: to create new life. The seed, now fully formed, is ready for its next chapter. It may travel far, carried by wind, water, or animals, or it may simply fall to the ground beneath the parent plant. No matter where it ends up, it carries within it the blueprint for a new plant, a new life. Once formed, the seed stands on the threshold of an extraordinary journey. A journey that will see it transform from a humble seed to a magnificent plant, continuing the cycle of life. A seed might seem quiet, but it's merely waiting for the right time to spring to life. Now, imagine for a moment that you are a seed. It's a pretty different way of life, isn't it? You're small, compact, and seemingly still. However, there's a whole world going on inside of you. This period of quiet and stillness is known as the Dormant Phase. It's like the seed's version of a cozy long winter's nap. But don't be fooled by the calm exterior. Inside that seed, there's a lot happening. In fact, the seed is packed full of life, just waiting for the right conditions to burst forth. This is nature's way of ensuring that the seed doesn't start growing at the wrong time. Imagine if a seed sprouted during a harsh winter or a blistering dry season. That wouldn't be very favorable for the little seedling, would it? So, the seed waits in its dormant phase. It can be a short nap, or it can be a long, long sleep. Some seeds can stay in this dormant phase for days, some for weeks, months, and believe it or not, some seeds can wait for years. Yes, you heard it right, years. There are seeds which have been found in ancient ruins, thousands of years old, and yet, given the right conditions, they can still sprout into a plant. Isn't that incredible? The seed's patience is truly remarkable. It bides its time, waiting for just the right moment. It waits for the perfect blend of warmth, moisture, and light. And when these conditions are met, something magical happens. The seed, once quiet and still, begins to wake up. It starts to change, to grow, to become more than what it was. And that's the beauty of the dormant phase. It's a time of waiting, of potential. It's the calm before the burst of life, the silence before the symphony. The seed might seem quiet, but remember, it's merely waiting, brimming with life and potential. When conditions are right, the real magic begins. Imagine waking up one fine day and deciding to grow. That's what seeds do during germination. Now, let's unravel the magic that unfolds within a tiny seed during this incredible process. Our seed is not just a tiny, hard speck. It's a miniature plant, the embryo, all bundled up in a protective coat, waiting for the right conditions to start growing. And what's the first thing it needs to kickstart this journey? It's water. Yes, just like we need a glass of water to start our day, seeds need to soak up water too. This process is called imbibition. The seed absorbs water, causing it to swell up and soften. With water, life within the seed stirs. The embryo, which has been patiently waiting, now starts to grow. It's like the seed is coming out of a deep sleep, stretching and yawning, ready to face the world. The energy stored in the seed provides the fuel for this growth. As the embryo grows, it starts to exert pressure on the seed coat. This is the outer protective layer that has been the seed's shield all this time. But now it's time for the shield to break open. The pressure becomes too great, and the seed coat splits. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Out from the split emerges the young root, also known as the radicle. It's the first part of the seedling to break out from the seed. It dives down into the soil, seeking nutrients and anchoring the plant. It's like the seed sends out an anchor before it's ready to hoist its sails. With the root safely secure in the soil, the shoot, which houses the future leaves, starts to grow upwards, reaching out for the light. It's a beautiful dance, one going up and the other down, but both working together to establish the seedling in its new home. And just like that, the germination process is complete. The seed has awakened and started its journey. A journey of growth, of survival, of becoming a plant. With germination, our seed has taken its first step towards becoming a plant. From a tiny sprout to a full-fledged plant, the transformation is nothing short of a miracle. The journey of growth from a delicate sprout to a robust plant is a fascinating process, teeming with life's most complex and beautiful elements. This journey begins after our seed has germinated. With the sprout now peeking out from the earth, it is ready to embark on the next phase of its life, the growth stage. Here, our sprout will evolve, becoming stronger, taller, and more complex. Sunlight plays a crucial role in this stage. It's not just the warmth that the sun provides, but the light itself that's essential. Through a process called photosynthesis, plants convert sunlight into food. This is how they gain the energy they need to grow. But sunlight alone isn't enough. Just like us, plants need water to survive. Water helps the plant by carrying nutrients from the soil into the plant system. Not only does water keep the plant hydrated, but it also helps the plant stand straight and tall. And speaking of nutrients, they are the final key to plant growth. The soil around the plant is packed with nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These nutrients are absorbed by the roots and transported to the rest of the plant where they contribute to growth and development. It's a balancing act of sorts. Too much or too little of any one element can hinder the plant's growth. But with just the right amounts of sunlight, water, and nutrients, our sprout will transform into a plant. The leaves will grow larger, capturing more sunlight. The stem will grow taller, reaching for the sky. And the roots will grow deeper, anchoring the plant and drawing in more nutrients. The growth of a plant is a testament to the beauty and complexity of life on Earth. It's a demonstration of nature's resilience, its adaptability, and its stunning capacity to create. Our seed has now completed its journey and stands tall as a mighty plant. It's a journey that reminds us of the magic that lies in every corner of nature, in every tiny seed, and in every growing plant. From a tiny seed to a towering plant, isn't nature truly magical? Our journey begins with a minuscule seed. It's hard to believe that such a small entity holds within it the blueprint for life. It waits patiently, in its dormant phase, for the right conditions to awaken its potential. And then, the magic begins. The seed germinates, breaking through its shell, reaching out to the world with its tiny roots and shoots. A miracle of nature unfolds right before our eyes as this little sprout grows day by day into a majestic plant. This journey, from seed to plant, is a testament to the wonders of nature. It's a story of patience, resilience, and transformation that happens all around us every day. So next time you see a plant, remember the incredible journey it has taken from being a tiny seed. That's the magic of nature.
Thanks a ton for watching. If you had fun, a little click on the like button would be like icing on the cake. And hey, why not subscribe? You'll get more videos to tickle your funny bone. See you in the next one.